Cleanup is available on iPhone 16e with Apple's prerequisite requirements for iPhone models, iOS version, and geographic limitations. Unfortunately, due to government policies, the cleanup feature is not available in countries like the EU. If traveling outside of the EU, cleanup will work if it is available in the region you are traveling to. Cleanup won't work for devices purchased in China mainland, unless you're outside China mainland and your Apple account country and region is outside China mainland. As you can see in the video, it supported other iPhone models on the list with the iPhone 16e. To use this feature on an iPhone, go to the Photos app on the iPhone. Open the photo you want to remove distracting objects from. Open photos like this. Tap on Edit option at bottom of photo. Now, tap on the Cleanup option. If you are trying to remove the object for the very first time, the new iPhone download cleanup models and show preparing cleanup process as you can see on iPhone screen. Now, tap brush or circle what you want to remove. Pinch to pan and zoom. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap on Done to save the changes. Or tap on Reset to re-edit photo. That's it. Cleanup is also helpful to blur face in photos and remove object like this. I hope you give thumbs up to support us if you found this video helpful. Don't miss to subscribe for new free tech tips and tricks. Feel free to share your questions in the comment box below.